Or to get a
Misdirection.
second of the ball.
Death grip.
Of course.
If you want more mobs, you'll have to try and target the
Shift.
footman on my back right.
Thunderclap.
Be careful the trap right
Shockwave.
melee.
Do you want me to grab those footmen?
Defend.
Blinding sleep. Blind.
No, I think. I
Death
can
grip.
find some.
Thunderclap.
Oh my god, the double
Exhilarate.
bleed. I'm trying to heal it off you.
Survival of the
Lunging strike.
fittest.
Just spam healing him.
Yeah.
Just throw water on it, it'll be fine.
Dude, I'm drowning him so good.
Hold still while I drown you.
Just holding their heads underwater. Now I gotta get
Yep.
mana, so that's cool.
.20 seconds I can use my racial. It'll probably be done by then, obviously. The next one if I get it. Which I got now.
You got it.
Fuck.
Defend.
Well, 15 seconds, it doesn't really matter, right?
Nah, you'll be fine, I think, maybe.
Crimson vial.
I'll just drink a little potion poo here and we'll be fine.
Misdirection.
5, 4,
Alright, I'm gonna do just this small pull here real quick. And then we're gonna go do that big pull.
Misdirection.
You got it, Bouse.
Ooh. He's clearly
Wait.
not standing in it. You can see it. That's crazy.
I'll be right back.
It's a good thing you're so tanky now, Lep.
Kick.
Freezing
Up
trap.
into kicks.
I probably could have kicked. Well, we're probably not gonna time now, so 11.
Sure.
11 plus
Run it
what?
back. Plus, plus, plus.
Save your life.
You know, I was gonna kick that, but I was like, no, she's gonna be dead. Don't waste your kick. And then I get mocked. It saved your life? Whatever. Here comes Papa.
Misdirection.
And I really don't like these cats.
I know you don't.
Shield wall.
I mean, it would be
Binding
cool
shot.
if, like, if I had the
Shit,
healing, but
anti-magic shell.
don't forget, worst H shaman in the world.
Shockwave.
According to that one prot warrior.
The fuck does he know?
I don't know.
Nothing.
Apparently he knows a lot about H shamans. Whatever those are.
They're the, like, I mean, the first, when you say H, I'm trying to think of the first word that pops in my head that starts with H, and unfortunately that was hot dog, so you're a hot dog shaman?
I always knew that about myself.
Shaman.
Crimson violet.
I was thinking, like, maybe he thought I was enhanced, because there's an H in enhance, but I don't know. Saving less for the next pull, right?
Yeah.
Spell. Shiv.
There's no magic in this zone.
Except for that beam, the magic beam.
Magic.
Of alley.
beam. This guy really likes piercing your
Shield wall.
armor.
Yeah, it is.
That might be the
Spell
only
deflection.
mechanic he knows how to do. What a loser.
Shiv. Faint. Icebound. Crimson
I have a
violet.
lot of healing here.
Oh, these
Exhilaration.
pause I get low.
I will need to get mana. I was just thinking, like, wow, a couple item levels really helped me. I haven't been drinking as much in the 11. Now she thirsty again. Speed boost.
Misdirection.
Going all the way in? Okay.
Oh, I wasn't close enough to kick that. Sorry.
On that mage?
Yeah, I was targeting Kindle.
I kidneyed it. Before it died. I think it went off. Did it go off?
Sacred Toll.
Guess not.
Just drown myself in order to res my friend.
Misdirection.
Love water.
just love it so much. Oh, I followed Zool.
Sacrificial pyre.
That was stinky.
Anti-magic shell.
Fiber.
He didn't
Crimson
really
Exhilaration.
Five,
You can AMS all those,
Four.
right? And you just pop it and walk in.
2, 1.
Dot fucking slaps.
Sacrificial pyre.
I'll cloak that one off next time.
Shaman single target
Crimson
still
Tide,
stinky.
survival of the fittest.
Interesting. It's not
Yes.
where I would have AMZ'd, but
I don't know.
Sacrificial
Maybe
pyre.
like
nobody's-
around
nobody's
here.
using it. Yeah, starting now or anytime after.
Anti-magic shell.
Well, watch out.
Crimson Exhilaration.
There you go.
That's how it's done, brother.
Oh, you just forgot AMZ and walked into it. It's like, fuck.
Shit.
Kindle said, I want this dot after the fight.
You guessed it. I need a little mana.
Misdirection.
Guess what, everyone?
Tendrils,
Anti-magic shell.
Oh, one more toll for the boys. Go ahead.
Misdirection.
Oh, I will.
Making sure. Waiting for me. I'll kick purple. Never
5,
mind.
4, 3,
Sorry, I need to do that
2,
to
1.
get aggro and everything too.
Purification.
Anti-magic shell.
Purification.
Cloak of
Fireball
shadows.
volley. Fireball volley.
Blinding explosive
Fireball
trap.
volley.
I will boop next.
Fireball volley.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1.
Purification. Purification.
They're both on the DK again? Or did not in fact fix that?
Nice pull.
Yeah, firm handshakes all around for
Misdirection.
sure.
You know, I'm more of a hugger, so like bring it in, big guy.
Oh, same. Holy crap. This guy
Shield
hurts.
wall.
Going to Warlock?
Blinding light.
Nope,
Three,
gotta do it the old-fashioned way.
one.
Oh,
Crimson Violet. Exhilaration.
Yeah.
I will
Anti-magic
do
misdirection.
the side I normally do on Tyndall.
Seconds that coming in.
I'm going Pat kind of group up here. Front, I'm going to cap this side.
Last stand.
Other side's coming in.
Purify.
Shockwave.
Handle.
Blinding light.
Three,
Crimson Violet.
Chop.
two, one.
kind of looks like a dick.